At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Hog Report for April 15th, 2011. This is Michelle Lemerin, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. The U.S. pork cutout value reached $96.31 per carcass on April 13th, just under the record high of $96.74 per carcass set on August 24th, 2010. Bellies have been particularly supportive for the cutout value, but it's going to need some help from hams, ribs, and loins to push the value up even further. This is very possible as grilling season kicks in and the demand for summer cuts such as ribs ramps up. The April 2011 USDA WASDE report was released on Friday, April 8th. Pork production is forecast higher on slightly larger slaughter and higher on expected first quarter weights. Pork exports were unchanged from last month, while imports were forecast slightly lower. According to the U.S. Meat Export Federation, on April 12th, U.S. pork exports in February were up 5.1% compared to last month and up 7.2% versus February of 2010. The total value of pork exports in February came in at $434.4 million US dollars on 172,022 metric tons. For the first 2 months of 2011, U.S. pork exports are up 11.9% to 337,160 metric tons versus February of 2010, while the value increased by 17% to $831.3 million US dollars. South Korea, Canada, Mexico, Japan, and China remain the top 5 export markets for U.S. pork. 27% of U.S. pork production in February of 2011 was exported to some country outside of the U.S. versus 25.3% versus last year. Total pork exports jumped 15% in value and 8% in volume versus the same period a year ago. The incremental value of pork exports increased to $51.48 per head versus $43.81 per head a year ago. That's all for this week. Have a great weekend.